Your Bronco Sport's screen is black, and the dealer says the new part is months away. The fix is a pre-programmed module from an aftermarket specialist. Yes, your Accessory Protocol Interface Module, or APIM, has failed, but you don't have to wait on the national backorder for the factory part. This is a common hardware failure in the 2021 Bronco Sport and other Fords with the Sync 3 system. Inside that module, which is the brain for your screen, the flash storage chip just wears out. Sometimes tiny solder joints on the circuit board crack from heat and vibration over time. This is a physical problem, not a software glitch. That's why a simple battery reset doesn't work, and why a tool like ForScan can't fix it. You might even see a diagnostic code like U3000.04, which directly points to an internal module failure. The part itself is simply broken. The dealer isn't just being slow. The official Ford part from the M1PZ14G370 family is unavailable across the country. The wait can be 6 months, sometimes longer. That's a long time to go without your backup camera, radio, or hands-free calling. Your next thought might be to grab a used one from a salvage yard. Don't waste your money. A used APIM is electronically locked to the vehicle identification number, or VIN, of the car it came from. The dealer's tools use a process called Programmable Module Installation, or PMI, to set up a brand new blank module. But that process can't easily overwrite the locked-in data from a different truck's specific features and wiring. If you plug in a random module from an Explorer or a Fusion, you'll still have a black screen. It's a technical dead end. The real solution is a pre-programmed module. These specialized vendors take a good, working APIM, often from a low-mileage vehicle. They then completely wipe it and manually rewrite its memory to match your Bronco Sport exactly. They program your VIN and all your truck's original factory features directly into the module before they ship it to you. When it arrives, it's a true plug-and-play part. No trip to the dealer is needed because the module already thinks it was born in your truck. So, here is what you need to do. First, find a reputable vendor. Look in owner forums or communities like Cyan Labs for recommendations. You want a supplier that offers a warranty and has good reviews for programming Sync 3 modules. Second, you'll need to provide them with your Bronco Sport's VIN. You can find this on the sticker in your driver's side door jamb. This number tells them every option your truck was built with. Third, you must tell them if your original system had factory navigation or was non-navigation. If you aren't sure, check your original window sticker. The programmer needs this detail to load the right software. The new module will bolt right in and power up with your truck's settings already loaded. If you do nothing, you'll be without a screen for the foreseeable future.